Hey guys, welcome to Tag Team. Hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to show you how to lock WhatsApp. So let's go to the WhatsApp first. Click on the three dot icon above. Go to settings. Now click on the privacy option. Scroll down and you will find fingerprint lock. Click this one. Now enable this. Now confirm your fingerprint. Use your finger. If you want to lock it immediately, then click on that, and if you want to lock it after 1 minute, then choose this. If you want to lock it after 30 minutes, then choose this. I'm choosing immediately, so this will lock now immediately. Let's see. See, my WhatsApp is locked. So this is how you can lock WhatsApp. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching the video.